How to use Heusom Silent Groom Pro setup, trimming, and cleaning. Want stress-free nail trimming for your pets? The Heusom Silent Groom Pro makes grooming quiet and safe. Here's how to set it up, trim nails, and keep it clean. Start by charging the device with the USB cable until the light shows full. Next, attach the right grinding head, small for cats or small dogs, large for bigger breeds. Press the power button to turn on and choose the speed setting. Begin with low speed if your pet is sensitive. Hold your pet's paw gently and expose the nail. Angle the grinder at about 45 degrees to avoid hitting the quick. Trim in short bursts of 2 to 3 seconds per nail to prevent heat buildup. Use the low vibration mode to keep pets calm and reward them after trimming to build positive association. After trimming, turn off the device and detach the grinding head. Tap gently to remove nail dust and then wipe with a dry cloth or brush. Avoid water inside the motor. Store in a cool, dry place and replace grinding heads when they wear out. So the Heusom Silent Groom Pro is perfect for safe, quiet nail trimming. Set it up, trim carefully, and clean after each use. And that is how to use Heusom Silent Groom Pro, setup, trimming, and cleaning.